forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another Vlogmas. Guys, we are heading to Spanish Bridge right now. We're going to be passing Blue Hole, so we're going to show you when we're up there, show you along the way. Two good attractions. So down here is the way to Blue Hole
and Spanish Bridge.
And Spanish Bridge.
Yeah, still down there.
This is the guy that sells, what does he sell again?
Brownies.
Weed brownies. So that's when you get your weed brownies right here.
Yeah, my people, right that's up. Right that's how you get all the brownies you want. Everything about a wheat cake, the whole works. And the whole works, so you see them there. When you come a Blue Hole, you go. Where's it? Go. Yeah. Man. The same thing go. Yeah. So when you come here so now, you just get a little brownie right that's with the weed. Yeah. And all these things. Anything make out of weed cake and all these things.
Weed cake, weed brownies.
See the man there, man?
Yeah.
The man that. So when you come a Blue Hole or you go, where your place name? Think the bridge, Spanish Bridge.
Yeah, man. You see the people that come to stop and take their photos. And they're singing and everything.
Yeah. So Bob Marley done gone, but this one is Bob Marley.
Yes.
You know, left him Bible, man. Him Bible in that place, man. Yeah, man. See him Bible in that corner there. Like, come on, him thing going. Him thing set up that way there. Yeah, man. Him thing good, man.
Reggae brownies. There it is.
Nobody no passes stand stop, sir.
Reggae brownies.
Some Irish mash. Some Irish mash. So there. The whole world. So I feel him thing, man. Him thing good. I feel at the boss this. Everybody pass and stop. Give me a link. Whatever. You must grab something. That's what I do.
So tourists come and take their pictures. Reggae brownies.
Yeah, something there. Not even good, man. Film stylist. Right the same there. Yeah. Get the thing straight as the front of the man. What's inside there?
Yeah, here it is, guys. So Blue Hole, the turn off.
Right, that's it.
Yeah, Blue
Touch the road, see the Blue Hole road that. Yes. Oh, that. No. I go to that bush. That is Blue Hole.
And also, I think, was it Calby's? Is around there as well, right?
Something about the place there. I don't know if it stops at Blue Hole itself, Calby's there.
Yeah.
But we're not celebrating.
Calby's River.
Yeah, my people. I know we're to Spanish Bridge. So then we go to the forest. Yeah, forest you have green and pretty in babes. Only for rainfall in that place, man. So them places are evergreen. Ever. So them places are up in the mountains, you know. So take a look at time and come up here. Yeah. Yeah, man, you have a good view over there. You see the view over the process of babes? Only for breadfruit over them places and coconut. And all these things. So you want me to go now? Give it a fine place up, so go. You can go back down this one. You the place small people go away if you just fix up yourself to pass. So you might look a place up so where we can pass. I better if you can go back up there. Because I have to go back way down to make him pass me. It's a view, we talk about view. Anywhere in Jamaica you go, you have a view. Boy. Where your son, man?
What's in that chicken in the car?
Miserable on that car. So I think set up my place. Drive and listen to what I go on, you know. So I hear the sound a while ago I'm not supposed to hear. There's a piece of stick itch up underneath there, give me a bad throw off all of my sounds. So I get rid of them, you know. Yeah, my people, see the tube in go on there. Tubing, straight tubing. So I go down from the creek there. Tubers them. The man have a bar in the water there. Yes, blessings, blessings. The man have a bar in the middle of the river, people. See there? Look a bar there right in the middle of the river. So my tuber go down there. Yeah.
Alright guys, we've just reached Spanish Bridge.
Mm-hmm.
You can just about see the water there.
Water, protein peeps.
Yeah.
These are the peeps. These are buy me something for drink. And as I'm prize. I get a pig there. I get a pig. These are what I get. Sorry beer. Yeah, she start Christmas from here so. Yes sir. Yes, sorry beer, I get a pig, yeah. Good like that. Dark. This place are cool. With all bamboo trees around there.
Yes, look at this. Look at this water. Look at this water, guys.
Yeah, nice man.
Pretty. Pretty, pretty. And then usually when it's full, people see that swing there. People swing off and jump off. Maybe a little more from now, there'll be people up here, but we're quite early. And then there's the bridge. That's the bridge there. Spanish Bridge. But look at the water, guys. Nice and clear, isn't it? Yeah. The outlaw there. Wherever we go, he has to make sure he goes right to the edge of everything. Guys, you don't realise. Always has to go to the edge. You see how far I've stand? I'm on the road. I'm on the road. Outlaw, right down to the closest edge that you can get. And he's not going swimming, you know. He's not going inside it. But you know his style already, people. You know his style. You see the bridge there? The bridge.
Real man. See song there.
Yeah. You're not gonna go on it?
And what?
Swing.
You never just for impress.
Just take off what you got and just go in your boxer shorts.
Pardon me?
You heard?
You will say?
Take off everything and just go in your shorts. Why are you looking like you're shy?
I try to put on a show. You know, can I chew this?
What?
Star apple.
Oh. This tree.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see one there?
Star apple.
That's what you mean, like star apple.
It's not ready until April next year.
Yeah? That okay.
Yeah, until them time they star apple ready.
So I'm saying when they say you mean like star apple, it's because star apples
It's not dropping.
it's not dropping.
Right, so. If you don't pick it.
Yeah.
If you don't pick this, it's still red and ripe and rotten right here. Don't drop. So when someone say mean like star apple,
You know what I
put
mean?
it on that side on.
Oh, he's looking for crayfish. We didn't come prepared, guys. This is just impromptu. We just took a drive up here. He's looking for crayfish.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.